Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to set up shadowrocket on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your shadowrocket app, and once you have opened up your app, what you need to do is tap on this plus icon on the top right corner of the screen, and once you tap on it, here you'll be sent to the add server option. Now here you can select the type of the server, simply tap on the type, and then here you'll be able to select the type and now select SOCKS 5. And once you do that, here what you need to do is fill up address, port and password, and if you have private proxy then you need to enter that as well. And once you are done with all this, what you need to do is simply tap on save, and once you tap on save, what you need to do is tap on this connectivity test, and once you tap on it, it checks out successfully. Then what you need to do is simply toggle this on, and once that's done, you'll be successfully connected with the custom proxy. And you can check your location by simply going to the Google and then entering your location, and there you can see you have successfully set up your proxy. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.